let's start with how to import a CSV file. This dataset file is stored online on 538 GitHub repo. This repo has a good collection of publicly available datasets. The dataset we are looking at today is about alcohol consumption around the world. You can get the dataset's exact path by clicking the CSV link in your course notebook. Let's try to import this dataset into a local data frame object. To do this task, we make use of Pandas readCSV function. So we pass the dataset URL path as the input parameter to this function. And we notice this dataset has about 193 rows in 5 different columns. Notice here the default behavior of the Pandas library is to display the top and lower 5 rows of the data frame object and indicate the hidden rows in the middle part of the result. In real-life scenarios, data professionals may sometimes need to access an extremely large dataset files with maybe thousands of rows and columns. In this case, we can make use of some of the optional parameters to only select a specific subset of the large data files. This can be very useful, especially if you are moving large datasets through the network. So to demonstrate this scenario, let's see how we can limit our data frame to only upload the top 10 rows and only 3 columns.